Hi folks, Marcus here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, and today I'm cooking chicken mole tortillas. I'm a big fan of Mexican food, and recently a friend of mine gave me some mole paste, and I wanted to give it a go on some light tortillas. So I'm going to be cooking some chicken thighs and some vegetables on this amazing hot plate here. So this is one of the first in the UK really, and it's a huge plancha that sits on top of a Weber kettle, and I'm getting this really hot. I've got some charcoal in there, I've got some chunks of silver birch there giving me some nice flame to get this good and hot, and I can feel that's starting to get really hot. So let's get going. So squirt of sunflower oil, some green peppers, red onion, red peppers, need to get those nice and caramelised off. Little squeeze of lime on there, and a little more oil. Looking for lots of flame for this. Okay, so I've got some chicken thighs, boneless, skinless, and they've been sliced up relatively thin so they'll cook nice and quick. All I've done is a little bit of salt and pepper and a squeeze of lime over these. So these are going to go here. As you can see, lovely and hot. Those are crisping up nicely. Turn some of the chicken over. So we're almost there, everything's looking good. Got some tortillas, corn tortillas. Okay, so this is looking ready. Let's assemble them. Chicken's cooked. So first one, some of the veg. Some of the chicken. A bit coriander, and some of this mole sauce. You see that? Wonderful, rich, dark sauce from a mole paste that's been bought up with some chicken stock and hot water. Little drizzle of that over the top. And some sour cream mixed with lime. There we go. Time for a taste. Okay, so I'm going into this. Oh wow. That is delicious. That mole sauce is really dark. Tastes like it's got like chocolate and nuts of ancho and poblano chilies and things in. Wonderful. So good with the chicken and the caramelised veg. Oh, that's just to die for. And the lime on the chicken just gives it a little lift as well. Incredible. Right. Okay. So I've got a few more of these to make up. I'm going to get stuck in and enjoy them. Cracking little recipe. I think you can pick up the mole paste from online, and yeah, I'll see if I can put a link below if I can find it. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed this recipe. Nice, quick, easy recipe on this cracking plancha here. Okay, I'm looking forward to doing some more cooking on this. Okay, take care, and if you like what I do, you know the job. Hit it down there. Cheers. Thank you.